Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. Had a really good question asked the other day on one of our pre-emergent videos, and that was, if I'm going out and buying locally, what pre-emergent should I get? What do you recommend? And so I'm here at Earthtone's Greenery. I came here to see what they have, to see what pre-emergents they have, and to kind of point you in the right direction. And actually, they only have two different pre-emergents here in stock at Earthtone's, which I kind of like because some places just have a gazillion of them, and it's hard to figure out what you're wanting, and it's really confusing. But two options here, and they're actually both good options. First, we've got the high yield option. That's the brand High Yield, and it's a turf and ornamental weed and grass stopper with dimension in it. The key ingredient there is dimension. Dimension is going to help with the crabgrass, and that's what you want. You're not going to go wrong if you get a product with dimension in it. The other option that they have here is the Fertilome brand, which is broadleaf weed control with Gallery. Also a good option because Gallery, like Dimension, takes care of the grassy weeds, of the crabgrass. So both good options. You have to be careful because with some pre-emergents, you don't get the grassy weed control. Some of them only target broadleaf weeds, but this, especially with this spring application, you want something that targets grassy weeds as well, because those are the harder ones to deal with as they come up. So always a good idea to deal with, to prevent those from coming up, as opposed to just doing your broadleaf. So both good options. Dimension, Gallery. If you're here in Midlothian, they've got them here. Both of them are going to be good. If I have to choose between the two, I'm going Dimension just because I've used it more. But you know, if you used Dimension in the past, in the fall, or last spring, it's never a bad idea to change it up every once in a while and maybe go with a Gallery. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.